video title should be like, I'm on my period and this is a simple makeup application that makes me feel better. Hey guys, what is up? It is Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video that is all about how to do your makeup fast without any tools when you're maybe not feeling so great. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and sharing my tips and tricks with you guys. So if you enjoy this video and want to see more tutorials just like this one, definitely consider subscribing. All right guys, let's get into it. I'm cramping so hardcore and I feel like bleh. But I have to go out and meet one of my friends. We're actually going to Whole Foods to check out their beauty sale. They're doing a huge discount on a lot of natural beauty products, so we want to go check it out. So I'm just going to show you like my quick minimal makeup routine that has no brushes. It's just like super quick and easy. Starting off with the Well People Stick Foundation. I'm literally doing this whole makeup in the mirror in the car because that's how I roll. Oh man, my lips are so dehydrated. I'm gonna go in with the Weleda Skin Food Lip Butter. I love that this just gives a beautiful glossy finish. I feel like having a glossy lip really polishes a look quickly. And it's also super hydrating, which I really need. You know what, and I totally forgot that I didn't bring a brow product. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that gloss and just throw it in my brows. Quick tip, usually I would put like a little powder or pencil in them, but a little bit of gloss will actually help keep the brow hairs in place and also give them a little bit of shine. We're just going as we go. All right, another quick tip for looking more awake and feeling more awake, blush, blush, blush. I'll pop a little bit here too. And you know what? Let's take a little bit on the lips. This is the Smashbox LA Lights, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers, just kind of patting and pressing into the skin. More blush. Another way to apply cream blush too, instead of applying it to the skin, you can also apply it to your fingertips like this, so more of it goes on and you don't lose a lot when you're blending. Ooh, went crazy for some tiger stripes there. So if you put it in the wrong place or you apply too much, just take a clean hand and that will remove the product. There we go, much better. Next, let's do a little bit of concealer. This is the Veil Correcting Concealer, and it's one of my favorites because I just love the color and the wearing power of it. And this is a great like brightener. So I'm even gonna take it right through here. Put it everywhere. Put a little bit right through here, right through here. Oh, do you guys have terrible cramps and periods? I've always had bad cramps, and it just knocks me out. If you have any remedies or anything, let me know in the comment section, because they are brutal. But even this makeup would be good for just like days that you like feel more tired. Like whenever I'm on my period, I just feel like fatigued and just like blah. So I'm mostly just like tapping this in place. This concealer is really great for layering if you want to build it up like with a little bit more coverage. And today I might just need some of that. More. Next I'm gonna go into a little bit of a cream eyeshadow. This is from Almay. It's their Velvet Foil Cream Shadow. I talked about it in my winter favorite video because I'm kind of obsessed with it. And it just gives this beautiful light reflecting glimmer that's just the most perfect shade. And I'm just gonna take that on my top lid. All right, back to my second coat of concealer. Just gonna tap that in. And then next I'm gonna use just a soft brown eyeliner. This is from McGrath. It's their color Shade. And I'm just gonna put it right near my lashes. I just love how buttery smooth these are. I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of soften it. These smudge really well, but then when they set, they're like on. When I'm on my period, wow, I'm just gonna talk about my period this entire video. I just feel like so weak. Do any of you guys get periods like that? Where you just like, my back aches, my stomach aches. I just feel weak. It's just like, ugh. It's the worst. I think I'll put a little bit underneath too. Just a little bit of definition. Ooh, that's a pretty. It's just kind of crazy how much makeup can really change the way you feel. Like I was having like a bad day a couple weeks ago and I was just crying, and I don't really cry that often, but when I do, it'd be waterfalls that don't stop. And I had to go out, and so I put like a winged eyeliner on because I was like, well, can't cry if I got my wings on because it's all gonna smudge. And it's just crazy how much makeup can just change the way you feel. And it sounds so superficial, but it actually can. Let's do a little bit of mascara. Whew, already I feel so much better. Alright, gonna do mascara on top and bottom. Are you looking at my nose the entire time this video is going on? Sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's do a little bottom mascara. Ooh. Focus it on the middle so my eyes look more like open and like doe-eyed. Like, oh, tee-hee, I'm so awake. I feel great. I don't even have a lash curler, so I'm just gonna use my fingers to push up my lashes while the mascara is wet. No tool makeup. All right, and then I'm just gonna throw a beanie on because I definitely need to shower but didn't. Perfect. Beanies are life. Oops, and I'm just looking in the monitor. I'm just gonna take down that pimple a little bit because she is out to play. Yeah, that's better. It's not 100%, but do I really care? You know what I mean? Let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful for you, and if you have a favorite product that you use that makes you feel amazing. I want to know about it, so let me know in the comment section. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.